Hello everyone, it's Joe Casadonti, Casadonti Homes, and it's Granite install day. One of my favorite days when we get to install this beautiful granite we've been thinking about for so long in our nice kitchens. So here we are. Heavy stuff.
Have to raise it up. Down. All right, easy. Up, Sancho. Okay. Up a little bit for the bracket.
Here we go. Slide it in place.
Okay, good.
It's really heavy.
Go. Okay. Let's see Let's see, Mark. Don't worry, the sink's gonna go under the sink. It's okay.
You're good.
Go easy. Easy. Yes. Okay, that's it. Let's stop.
There we have it.
Nice and tight.
Beautiful granite.
Okay.
Say hello. Hello.
Okay.
There we are.
Very much.
All right. The island's next.
Nice color. Beautiful.
It is beautiful. So it's starting to come together. You can see cabinets, our old rustic wood, granite, and tomorrow we will get our tile backsplash here started and get the plumbing hooked up the next day, and we're almost there. All right, have a good day.